So new Cricket West Indies CEO, Chris Dehring, continues to talk up a storm. Read the way to restore the fortunes of West Indies cricket. Out come the cliches again about the need for financial investments in systems and structures that are needed to make West Indies great again. But like all other optimists touting the return of the glory days, Mr. Dehring is ignoring the basic fundamentals of our downfall. The loss of the love and passion for the game of cricket, resulting in dwindling interest and participation, and thus a chronic lowering of the standards. Added to that, the few active players are now gravitating towards white ball cricket and away from test cricket. That right there is the crux of the problem facing West Indies cricket. So by all means, Mr. Dehring, bring the major investments, upgrade our infrastructure, but tell us how will all of that help when the youngsters are not interested in or love the game of cricket anymore? Tell